Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Chris and I'm a content creator. I've been working with brands and businesses for 10 years creating stuff for their social media and completely neglecting my own. Let me know if this sounds familiar. This year I've made the commitment to build my own personal brand, so I'm going to be doing that and sharing everything I know along the way. I'm particularly well versed in branding and I've got all the technical skills I could possibly need. So on this channel you can expect to find tips, tricks, tutorials, downloads, templates. I'm going to be doing some deep dives on other creators and how they are doing their branding. On the flip side, I'm going to be auditing some channels. I'm going to be applying what I learn and sharing it so you can also reap the benefits. So here's a list of things I'm going to be teaching you to start with. How to work out your why and define your audience. How to position yourself away from the competition so that you're almost swimming in your own blue ocean. I believe in abundance and that there's plenty of space for everybody. However, if you're too similar to somebody else, it's just going to get confusing and you're not going to stand out. So we're going to look at how we can differentiate you using your strengths and find the perfect spot in the creator landscape. How to attract the right audience. It's all good having the big numbers, but if what you're putting out there isn't resonating with them, they're not going to be engaging and it's not going to be worth anything to any brands that might potentially want to hire you. Kevin Kelly has a theory of 1,000 true fans. If you can find 1,000 people that really love your stuff and are willing to part with £100 every year, that's 100 grand. That's more than enough. So just find the right people. And we're going to, again, go massively in on that. I'm going to create so many videos around that. Of course, we'll look at the aesthetics. We'll go into colour theory and colour psychology and see if any of those can sort of strengthen your brand. There'll be typography, getting the right font. They all have their own little characteristics. Loads of tutorials on all of that. What's the best platform for you and where should you be putting your efforts? You know, there's so many options right now. You can spread yourself really thin. So I'm an advocate for choosing just maybe 2, 3 at a push, but 2 main ones. YouTube and Instagram, or Pinterest and Reddit, whatever. So obviously I've got a lot of work to do, so I'm just going to leave you with this. If all of this sounds like something you're interested in and want to learn about, then make sure you hit subscribe and also ring the bell so you're first to hear about it. Looking forward to sharing everything with you soon.